Ćao svima, dobrodošli u moj novi video na mom kanalu. Hi, welcome. This time I will compare these two screwdriver bit sets. Yeah, this one I got from my colleagues as a gift, and this one I'm using for many years. So first of all, this is not paid promotion or anything like that. It's just a review from my side. I don't have any contact points with product or something. I'm just using this, okay? And this is my opinion. So first, let's open this. I already opened it. I must, yeah, and put everything back. So this is well-known IFIXIT Manta precision set bit. Yeah, 120 bits, 4mm driver, 1/4 inch driver. Yeah. Here you can see the list of included bits. Okay. Now let's open. This is another box. Yeah, looks very nice. Yeah. Here is some instructions, some stickers. Yeah, this is look very nice. Really? Yeah, really nice. And I didn't open this. Let's say this is not the manual, it's some welcome page. Yeah. Nice, okay. Not big deal. And this is the set. I wanted this from many years. I cannot buy it from iFixit directly because they didn't ship to my country. So somehow it shows in one let's say shop, and my colleagues buy it for me. Yeah, this is the magnetic cover, and here you can put your screws just to group them. I don't know, for the stages of opening. I don't know, is this have sense? Yeah, this have sense. It's magnetic also from this side and from this side. So let's start like this. I really like this big one. It's really fluent. Let's try. Okay. Oh, it's really precisely done, and magnet is strong. Yeah. Yeah, it's strong. Let's try another one. Yeah, it's really strong and robust. I really like it. I will not do some let's say crash test or squeeze test with clamps on these bits because I don't want to destroy them. It's really hard to buy here in my country, I told you, and it's expensive. My country is not the richest. Let's say it's maybe the poorest in Europe. But it's really good. It's really good feeling. Yeah. Let's check just one thing. Is this conductive? Yeah. Hear the beeping sound. No, it's not. Here. Also, you see? Even if we close like this, no. Yeah, it's not magnetic. That's good. I like it. It's metal, metal, metal. Okay. And this is the smaller one. Also, you see, it have ball bearing. Okay, the magnet is not strong like on the bigger one, as we can expect it, but it's great. Yeah, it's holding very well. Here you can see how much it's moving inside, but it has this how to name that sound. Let's try another bit. You hear that? Hear that? I didn't expect that. And it's not the handle, it's something right here. But okay. This is okay. Really okay. I really don't know what to say for this bit set because you have so many reviews on YouTube or even on the internet. There is so many bits. I hope you can see. I like that because they have longer this part of the bit, so we can go just a little deeper, just a little deeper. Let's try. Yeah. This is not moving inside. This is not moving inside. Yeah. So let's compare this with my Wiha. I bought it from Aliexpress. I don't know how many years ago, and it have a click mechanism. This is the set. You can see almost all common bits are covered. Why happened to this set. I hope you can see this corrosion. Anyway, I have problem with all metal parts when I don't know, when I put some silver necklace or something. It's got dark during the time, so my sweat is strong, and maybe this is the reason why this happens. You see, got corrosion, but for example, I never touched this left one and it's almost like new. Yeah, it fits very well. I also have a little sound, and it's not smooth like this one. See? But not this one. But it served me very well, and I still like it. But with this tool I have all necessary bits for, I think, any common repair or less common. The minus for this, I don't know. I haven't used that yet, but on the first look, maybe these labels for bits should be in another color, you know, or something, I don't know, different with some, I don't know. But it's not a problem. If you know what you need, you can find it easily. Here you can see much clear everything. Yeah. Let's just compare these two. Yeah. This is a little longer, and the bits. Let's find exactly this one. You see what I'm talking you about? This one has longer, let's say, neck, so you can go a little deeper. Yeah. And now let's just test with some screws. Okay, here I have some spare screws from many devices. Okay, you see? Now let's check this one. Is this magnetic like this one? Yeah. It's maybe a little weaker. No. It's fine. It's just fine. It's just fine. Okay, let's try the same with this one. Yeah. It's maybe just a little stronger, the magnet. Yeah. But it holds. It's just fine. Yeah. Without a problem. And this one also. Yeah. Let's test one more time. Yeah, it's fine, totally fine. Totally fine. And more or less that's it. Really? I don't know what next. Yeah, we can test the bits, but I must destroy them. Mine Wiha, also one from IFIXIT Manta set. So I really don't want to do that. I believe it's good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like or subscribe on my channel. If you want to support me for future videos and make me inspired. So let's see in another one. Bye.